Hi YouTubers, and welcome to the channel. We're back in the UK from our long summer break in Europe, and it's obviously time to start work on the ML55, the project car. You can see we've got a trolley of stuff here. Let me show you what's on there. So we have a number of things on the trolley. We have a new coolant tank for the ML55. We have two lots of engine mounts for the ML. We have a pollen filter for the ML. We have a repair kit for the steering rack of the ML55. We're going to try and repair it first, as opposed to replacing the whole rack. We'll see how that goes. And then we've got an assortment of different pipes. So this is all the PVC pipes that go on the engine. I'm going to replace them all. See, there's quite a few here to do. All those pipes to replace, and then we've got some sort of rivets and nuts that are to do with the back door on the ML. Along with that, underneath we have the two valve cover gaskets that need replacing, left and right. So yeah, there's quite a lot to be getting on with the ML. And in a minute I'll show you that we've also got the bull bars, the front bull bars and the side steps. But you'll also notice on this table, this trolley, is this. So basically on the SLK we've got an error regarding the Airscarf system on the right, and sure enough the fan doesn't work correctly. So I think on this video we'll probably attack that. We'll probably get the SLK over and see about replacing that part. These two boxes, this very long one, white one, and this one here, this is the bull bar for the ML55, and the one behind are the side steps, the chrome side steps. Maybe we'll unbox those later and I'll show you those that will be going on. Just show you the unboxing of the bull bar and the side bars. We have some stuff to connect it, so brackets and instructions, quite good. That's the side. Let's open this up. There we have the front bull bar. Looks very nice. So this was from eBay for 150. So that's going to be quite exciting to get that on. So let's have a look at the side steps now. So these are the side steps for the ML. So we can get that box. Sure, these would look really nice on the ML. So these were from eBay again, and these were 150 as well. So we've got some good videos coming up for the ML55, lots of work to do on it. So yeah, please subscribe and stay with the channel. So here is the SLK, and we will now open the door. And what we have to do is in this chair, because there's the Airscarf. The motor is actually just behind, so if I bring the chair forward, bearing in mind it's electric, so it's going to take a good while to do it. Right, so now the chair's forward, there's a couple of screws down the bottom here that we need to take out, and then this back cover will come off, and that should give us access to where the motor is. So I'll get the camera set up and I'll start with that. Okay, so we're going to get started with taking out these two screws. Just want to highlight the fact of this wonderful little tool I'm using. This is from one of the channel watchers, Mountains, Paul is his name, and he sent me over from the States a really cool snap-on socket set. So I'm going to be using those today. Let's undo these two screws. You have to excuse the mess of the car. We've been on holiday, haven't had the time to hoover it and clean it out. Okay, the two screws are out. Let's see how we get this off now. Not sure if you have to push it down or bring it up or what. Seems like it's this whole side. There we go. Right, I think we're on off enough. Not sure how the bottom completely comes off, but there's the motor that we're looking at. So I'm going to have a quick look and see how we undo that now, and progress with this. So having a look here, we've got connector here that needs disconnecting, and a connector there, and then it looks like it's just these two bolts either side, and then we slide this out. So I'll get on with that now. So connection 1 is off, connection 2 is off. Let's undo these two bolts. So just looking at the one that we're putting in, seems like there's a clip here, which would be about here, that we need to get it up with, and then away from that, away from this. Seems like it's having problems with that clip that goes up here. Not really too sure how we can get it off that front clip. And then if we open the roof, we might be able to lift the head piece up a bit higher. I think I'm going to try that. I think we'll open up the roof. Okay, so with the headrest up more, we was able to then unclip this. Now if I just swivel it out, that's the old one out. Can't see any noticeable issues with it, but hey ho, let's get the replacement one in. Say it's not the easiest things to get in. That little clip certainly makes it hard. Okay. I think that's in place. So let's put the cables back on. Cables are back in place. Let's put the 2 screws back in. So we'll tighten these screws back up now. Okay, that all seems to be back in. Let's put back our cover. And then it's just a matter of putting in the screws back down the bottom, the screws back down here. And I've managed to lose my other screw. How does that even happen? They're both down there perfectly fine. Right. So, I think we'll clean up the seat a little bit and then test. So the issue we were getting with this SLK was the Airscarf on the driver's side. The light would come on, it would work for maybe 2 seconds and then go off again. So we're now going to test it now that we've put the replacement motor in and see what happens. You join me in the SLK now with the Airscarf behind me. I'm now going to put on the button and see what happens. Here's the Airscarf. What we're looking for, we want to see if it stays on. As I say, previously after a couple of seconds it would just go off. Looks like it's staying on at the moment. And I can feel heat coming out. And maybe it's worth going for a drive and seeing what this little heater thing does, because I'm kind of hoping it stays on, which at the moment it is. So that's staying on. I'm quite happy about that. So yeah, I'm going to take it for a drive and I might even give her a clean, the car, and I'll confirm back whether it's fixed. So I went for a drive in the SLK and really happy to say the Airscarf's still working, the lights are still on. This is perfect because as I say before, the lights would go off and the Airscarf would stop working. These Airscarf motors from Mercedes-Benz are about £600. That's a crazy lot of money just for a glorified hairdryer. But I managed to pick up this spare part, the exact same part number, off of eBay for 50 quid. So I think that's good. That's a job done for 50 quid. And I'm really happy that it's all now working, because with the winter months coming up, it's nice and cozy to have the heated seats and the Airscarf working.